people in the last 2 days itself. The states most impacted include Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur and Nagaland. First up, let's bring you state-wise updates. In Assam, 9 rain-related deaths have been reported, including 5 in Guwahati due to a landslide in the Bonda area. 2 deaths have been reported in Lakhimpur district following flooding from excess water released by the Ranganadi Dam. Over 75,000 people affected across 15 districts with significant damage to homes and infrastructure. In fact, Guwahati and Tezpur experienced record-breaking rainfall for May, leading to urban flooding and closure of schools and offices. Meanwhile, in Sikkim, 1,500 tourists have been stranded due to heavy rains and landslides. Search for 8 missing tourists has been halted as the water levels in the Tista River is rising. Their vehicle plunged 1,000 feet into the river in Mangan's Munsithang. We spoke to Pramod Kumar Singh, who is a resident of Uttar Pradesh's Pratapgarh. He's stranded currently in Sikkim along with his relatives. They are stranded in Sikkim's Sangkalang. Listen to him detailing his ordeal.
घटना 29 तारीख को ये 8 से 9 बजे के बीच में हुई है और हमें प्रशासन ने कोई सूचना नहीं दी। हमें जो होटल वाले ने 30 तारीख को दोपहर के बाद सूचना दी है। प्रशासन की लगातार लापरवाही हमें दिख रही है, क्योंकि जब ये लोग घटना में मलबे को बरामद कर लिए थे, हमारी गाड़ी जो बरामद कर लिए थे, तो आईटीबीपी के लोगों ने इसको निकालने का प्रयास किया, लेकिन निकाल नहीं पाए। तो इनको तुरंत ही और व्यवस्था करनी चाहिए थी। ये कैसे मलबे को छोड़ के हट गए वहां से। हमारे जो लोग थे उनको ऐसे छोड़ कैसे दिए, जो है बीच में रेस्क्यू बंद कैसे कर दिया। हमारा जो है केवल यहाँ की प्रशासन से यही सवाल है कि 29 तारीख को रेस्क्यू कर रहे थे, 30 तारीख को रेस्क्यू, ये 31 तारीख हो गई और 1 तारीख हो गई, ये लोग रेस्क्यू क्यों नहीं कर पा रहे। हम 5 लोग आए हैं अपने यहाँ से प्रतापगढ़ से, और उस गाड़ी में 8 लोग और भी जो है मिसिंग हैं।
All right, so that is, of course, a stranded tourist sharing his ordeal as to what exactly has happened in the past few days. Remember, viewers, the visuals that you are seeing on your screens are from the northeastern India, where incessant rainfall has led to landslide as well as several tourists being stranded. Of course, infrastructure also partially damaged. One of the bridges has collapsed, due to which a lot of tourists are stranded currently. We are, of course, getting in more and more alerts from the Met Department as well as far as the weather condition is concerned. But remember, this extremely crucial situation that has developed in northeastern India has been caused by incessant rainfall in the last few days. We also connected with Tapan Datta, who is currently in a relief camp in Assam's Lakhimpur. Speaking about the prevailing flood situation, Tapan Datta told us that the flood situation has left many like him displaced in Assam.
वो देखा है ना, घर आज थोड़ा पानी कम हुआ है, लेकिन कल तक वो पानी ज्यादा है। वो देखा है ना, वो घर, हाँ, ये हमारे साथ वो घर का आदमी है, बात कीजिए उसके।
सब्जी अब देखिए, ऐसा कर मतलब नेपको ने ऐसे पानी छोड़ा है, मतलब किसी को जानकारी भी इतना नहीं था ऐसा होगा बोल के, इतना अचानक पानी छोड़ दिया ना। अब सब लोग का हालत आप देखिए, ये तो आपको दिखा ही रहा है ना, ऐसा हालत हो गया। अभी जीने के लिए मतलब कुछ खाने के लिए भी नहीं है, किसी लोगों का कपड़ा भी नहीं है, सब लोग पानी में मतलब बह गया है। इसके लिए पूरा नेपको है ना, पूरा मतलब उन लोग का अभी क्या होगा आदमी का साथ, कुछ भी नहीं है लोगों के पास, ऐसा हो रहा है हालत। अभी ये देखिए कैसा हो गया, मतलब जाने के लिए भी मतलब ये नहीं है, ऐसा हालत हो गया है। अभी अंदर तक जाने के लिए दिक्कत हो रहा है। इसलिए आप देखिए कैसा हालत हो गया है अभी। ये पूरा देखिए घर का इधर देखिए।
असम गवर्नमेंट ने हमको सपोर्ट किया है, मानव देखा ने सपोर्ट किया है। कल आया था वो, आज रिलीफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो रहा है यहाँ में।
लेकिन ऐसा पानी नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए।
नेपको ने ऐसे पानी नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए।
अभी जो वहाँ जहाँ ये पानी का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, अभी नदी से जहाँ से पानी आ रहा है वो बंद करना पड़ेगा पहले। नहीं तो ऐसे ही अगर ये 2-3 दिन अगर ऐसे बड़ा बारिश हो गया तो नदी का पानी बढ़ जाएगा। पानी बढ़ने से फिर से इधर पानी आ जाएगा, वो अगर बंद नहीं किया तो।
And that's the situation in Assam, but viewers remember in Arunachal Pradesh as well, 9 deaths have been reported, including 7 members of 2 families whose vehicle was swept into a gorge by a landslide in East Kameng district. Reports suggest that 2 laborers died in a landslide at a cabbage farm in Lower Subansiri district. Meanwhile, in Meghalaya, 7 people lost their lives due to landslides, drowning and lightning strikes. Cherrapunji has recorded 47 centimeters of rainfall in a single day, which is among the highest ever. Meanwhile, in Mizoram, 6 deaths have been reported, including 3 Myanmarese nationals who died when a hotel collapsed during a landslide. Low-lying areas such as Sairang village near Aizwal were flooded by the swollen Tlavang River, forcing evacuations. In Manipur, rivers Iril and Nambul rose above danger levels, causing flash floods and landslides. The Kangpokpi district received 175 millimeters of rainfall over 72 hours, leading to breaches in the Imphal River and the evacuation of residents. In Nagaland, 1 death has been reported due to a landslide on National Highway 29. The Met Department, meanwhile, has issued red and orange alerts for parts of Assam and other northeastern states, warning of continued heavy rainfall. Emergency teams from the State Disaster Response Force, local administration and security forces are engaged in search and rescue operations at the moment. Chief ministers of the affected states have announced ex gratia payments to the families of the deceased, and they are monitoring the situation closely. But the early onset of the monsoon season, remember, has overwhelmed infrastructure and highlighted the need for improved disaster preparedness and flood management in the region. With roads destroyed, national highways damaged, and many villages isolated at the moment, rescue teams will have a challenging time to ensure that people are evacuated to safety soon. With more rainfall looming, officials are now fearing that the worst may not be over yet.